All aboard the Statesman Express! Woo-hoo! Boys and girls, I'm so happy that you are back here at Washington Henry. I cannot wait for you to come to the library and see what we have that is new and exciting for you to check out. If you are a new student here, I can't wait to meet you and help you find some books that you love. I'm Mrs. Cridlin. If you haven't seen me before, you can subscribe to our Washington Henry Library YouTube channel and you can check out videos to see about all the fun books that we have. So, friends, I know you are ready. Let's get started to see what we have that is new for you to check out. We're going to start with picture books. So we've got two new of the There Was an Old Lady series. We have There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Ghost, and There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Birthday Cake. These are both really fun to read. We have a copy of a great story called Logan's Greenhouse about a little boy who learns about growing his own food. If you are new to Washington Henry, you might not know about this, but if you've been here, you know all about the house system, and you have your houses, and we have a great book all about the Ron Clark Academy, how the house system started. It's fiction. It's got characters and stories about how their houses were determined. So this will be a fun one for you to check out and read. Finally, our last picture book is super silly. It's called Alpacas Make Terrible Librarians. So this is really fun to read. I hope you check it out. The next thing I want to move on to are our beginning chapter books. We have the next in the series of Diary of a Pug, Get Well Pug, super cute. We have the next in the series of Pets Rule. This is called The Night of the Chipmunk. And then we have, I believe this is a brand new series. It is called The Party Diaries. It's super cute. This is about a birthday party, picnics, an anniversary party, and Starry Henna Night. So the characters in here are really cute. This is a fun new series for you to try out. I hope you'll check it out. Gosh, Miss Letourneau, let's move on to, how about some graphic novels, you guys? Let's see what we've got new. We have Bad Guys. This is not like the other copy of Bad Guys we have in the library. This is, I'm showing it to you new because this is all color illustrations, where all the other ones are black and white. This one, I don't know, it's just a little bit more fun to read. So I hope you love this. We have Spider-Man Around the Spider-Verse graphic novel to add. Oh my gosh, we have got a new Pokemon graphic novel here. This is called To Catch an Ultra Beast. We have two new Ninja Turtle graphic novels for you to try out. We have a new series, and I'm going to be honest, I haven't read these yet, so maybe some of you fifth graders, you can grab them first, give them a read, let me know what you think about them so I can tell some of the other kids when they're checking them out. The story, I mean, it looks like a cool series. It's called Cat's Cradle. The main character's name is Suri. She is obsessed with monsters. She studies them, she tells stories about them, she tries to catch them. And if y'all know me, you know I don't like creepy things or anything monster. So I don't know that I'm going to read these, but I'm going to count on you to give me a full report. So we have the first, let me hold them all up here. We have the first, the second, and third in that series. So I hope you'll check those out and let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, Miss Letourneau. Oh, there's so many new books. We have the newest I Survived graphic novel, The Great Molasses Flood of 1919. You can see we've got two copies of that ready for you to check out. Oh my gosh, a couple more things. Two more Pokemon graphic novels. These are going to be super fun to check out. And I think that is everything we're showing for graphic novels right now. So let's keep going with, let's segue right into some more Pokemon books. All right, we have got the Legendary and Mythical Guidebook. This one I know is going to get checked out all the time. And I tried to do some special things. I put some special things on the corners to help keep this book safe for a while. This is the Super Duper Extra Deluxe Essential Handbook with more than 1,000 characters in it. So I don't think we'll ever keep this on the shelf. It's always going to have a hold on it. If this is something that you think you want, put a hold on it right away because I have a feeling I'm not going to see it much this school year. And then we have we have 4 copies of Pokemon, quick, easy readers. So these have really nice covers. They should last us a while. So a couple we had and we replaced from the paperback ones, but some of them are new. So these will be really fun to check out too. Let's go right into fiction. We have a Newbery Award-winning book called The First State of Being. The author is Erin Kelly. She has written a lot of other award-winning books, some that we have in our library here. The story takes place back in 1999, which may sound like a really long time ago to you, but I remember 1999 very well. And I can remember, just like the characters in the story, getting ready for the year 1999 to change to the year 2000. And people were very worried about what would happen. They thought there might be some kind of big disaster when it came to the banks and computers and things like that, making the transition. So anyway, I want you to read this and let me know what you think about it. It looks like a really cool book. Next, we have another new series. This is the Can You Escape series. So these are fictional books. You can tell they have a green sticker on the spine. So these are going to be found in the scary or creepy section of fiction. And these are choose your own adventure books. So they're super fun to read. Can you escape a haunted castle? Can you escape a haunted battlefield? Can you escape a haunted hotel? And can you escape a haunted cemetery? So these look really, really fun. I hope you will check these out and give them a try. Finally, we just have a few more. You guys are being so patient with me. These are nonfiction books that we are adding to our collection. Top 10 Strangest Animals. I love these books. This one is Soccer Goats. So if you are a soccer player, you will love reading about some of your famous players. This, I guess I could have put this with Pokemon, but this is more of a gaming book. It's not just Pokemon. It has all kinds of Nintendo stuff in it. Super fun to read. We've got another gaming one. It's called 2025 Level Up. We've got the newest Who Would Win called Monstrous Mammals. This is great. It's got 4 different comparisons all in one book. And finally, we have 2 cookbooks that we are putting in the library. This is a replacement. We used to have this a long time ago. It was so well loved that it finally fell apart. So we have a new copy of the Pioneer Woman's cookbook. It's got great pictures, great ideas. If you like to cook, it's got some really, really fun recipes in it. And finally, last one, we have Harry Potter Bake, Create, and Decorate. So super fun ideas for being creative when you are baking. Friends, that is a lot to come at you today of new books in the library. You're going to have to come and see me. You're going to have to check them out, and I can't wait to have you back here. We've missed you so much. Okay, go make sure you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you back in the library really soon.